Picture island of birds with their own toolkits to hack survival. On the Galapagos, the woodpecker finch whips up cactus spine spears to fish out grubs hiding under bark. Puffins on Skomer Island? First ever seabirds caught scratching their backs with sticks. Over in Indonesia, Goffin's cockatoos pack tool sets and hull them like avian Swiss army knives, planning ahead like tiny parrot engineers. And in Brazil, great ant shrikes smash invasive snails on stone anvils like feathered demolition experts. These birds prove brains come in wings too. So, which feathered genius gets your vote? Spear-wielding finch, back-scratch puffin, toolkit-toting cockatoo, or snail-crushing ant shrike? Drop your pick below and let's debate who's the cleverest.